Today, we'll delve into the powerful SUMIFS function and how it simplifies complex calculations. Consider this table. Column A lists various fruits, column B their quantities, and column C their colors. Now, let's say we want to sum the quantities of apple fruits that are red. Now type the formula. Type equal to. Type sum. If S bracket start. Select quantities range. Type comma. Select fruits range. Type comma. Inverted comma start. Type apple. Inverted comma close. Type comma. Select colors range. Type comma. Inverted comma start. Type red. Inverted comma close. Bracket close. Now press Enter key. This formula selectively sums the quantities where the fruit is apple and the color is red. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to analyze your data using Excel's SUMIFS function.